I'm back. Yes! I'm the cannabis cowboy. Whoa! There's a lot going on Belushi's farm.
The way he's taking the Blues Brothers products and farm is next level.
Oh, this is beautiful.
Come on, Guy Fieri.
This is so much different than growing it in my closet in college.
So wise with this stuff.
I love it. Jimmy! I'm excited. I'd like to see the babies. How come they don't look alive? Yeah, because they're dead.
Idiot!
This is no longer a hobby. This is a profession. Everybody wants our weed. You smell it so good. Marijuana, cannabis, reefer, whatever you want to call it.
Have you seen so much pot in your life? Ah!
Come on.
Growing Belushi premieres Wednesday, January 19th at 10, only on Discovery.